Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a roller bar kit for the Vantech H1 system. Let's get into it. All right, this is a roller bar that you can add to the back of an H1 crossbar rack from Vantech. This happens to be the roller bar that you would use for Ford Transit Connect, all roof heights. It's really designed to be used with that 57-inch crossbar. This is going to be packaged a little bit differently. I don't know what to expect here because we took this back as a return, and I thought, oh, let's capture an unboxing on this, so it may look a little differently than how Vantech typically packages these. So just keep that in mind, and hopefully there's no surprises as we open this. All right. Yeah, nothing in there. This does look similar to how Vantech would typically package their equipment, and that it's all taped and saran wrapped and whatever inside the box and was packaged and then repackaged. So it's pretty close. Whoever returned this did a pretty good job of repackaging it. I'm just gonna cut this. Now, the purpose of a roller bar on the back is to basically prevent you, as you're loading a ladder from the back, is to prevent you from, damaging the back of your roof or the van in some way. So it's a really a nice little addition that you can put on the back of the van to make it nice and easy to load ladders from behind. So there's really three main components to this. There's these extension arms, and you can see there's 4 holes right here. These are you're going to attach to the little eye holes on the rear upright on the H1 system. You can see there's 4 holes, so you kind of have different adjustments. You can mount through these two, or these two, and then your roller bar goes through here, and then underneath here you have we're going to mount some feet that are going to sit on the van. So we've got these 2 extension arms, and then we have our actual roller bar. This is all aluminum, by the way. I don't know if you can hear that. It's got an aluminum sound, and this is anodized black. So nice system. This is aluminum as well. We've got our ends here, and essentially the way this works is these go into these slots right here. So if you can imagine, if this is your van right here, this is your last crossbar, you're gonna hook in right here. This is gonna be hanging over the edge almost a little bit. We're at the corner of the back of the van, and you can lean a ladder against here and roll it up onto the crossbar. So really 3 main components here, plus all of the hardware that you need. As you can see, there's 2 legs in here. This is all stainless steel hardware, by the way, so it's not gonna corrode or rust. You've got the aluminum components here, then you pair that with the stainless steel hardware, you're gonna be good to go from that perspective. We got 2 feet that thread into the bottom of these. This is gonna rest up against the roof. And then we've got hardware for essentially attaching these 2 extensions to the H1 uprights. And then I think that's pretty much it. We've got 2 little cotter pins that are gonna go through these little holes on the end of the roller to keep the roller in place, and you're gonna be good to go. Pretty simple install. Of course, they're gonna give you the installation instructions as well. Fortunately, we can't use this on our ProMaster City because this is the length or the width of this is too big, so it's not gonna work for our install. If you are looking for these rear access roller bars for your H1 system, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.